the gates of Hades cannot prevail over the Church of Jesus Christ. The only thing we will hear from security is that they will investigate. I don't know if this issue is a matter of investigation. We don't know whether they are truly want to investigate or they are only trying to cover the whole thing. But you must remember that in Borno State, we don't have freedom of religion. The Boko Haram are attacking us whenever we go, wherever we go. State government have not done anything to protect Christians in Borno because they have not given us the license to operate as Christians. Everyone must see, share this unto the world, see that Christians in Borno have no freedom. And our governor has not said anything yet concerning this. Look at it. Recently, a big mosque was built around this place, and nobody said anything about it. We have an issue on our road to maintain the road because of the water loggage, but yet nobody said anything. Look at it. Allah say mana yaki ya ji tausayin ecclesia. Millions of naira has been wasted because of the fanatism of many who came in the name of religion. They kill one person, sun kashe mutum daya a cikin wannan, daya daga cikin masu aiki mu anan. Sun kwakwace hanse na yara da suke aiki domin waɗanda suka recording kada su kai ma duniya. Ba muna so kowa ya gani.